Hi again, it's Norma. I do love making these dark academia journals. I just do. I can't tell you why. I think it's because they look a bit grubby and they're a bit dark. I am not academic in any way, shape or form, but I do love making these journals. So hopefully you'll be inspired to make something on a similar basis. The pages are all covered with an old Shakespeare book, works of Shakespeare that I came across, which was in a bit of a tatty mess. And I've utilised the book pages of that, and the whole envelope, the whole journal is made out of envelopes. So this one's made out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 6 envelopes in total. And there's loads of bits and bobs inside it. So I made it this time, and I've gone and sewn one of the signatures in, and I've done it the other way around, so it ties on the outside rather than the inside, and then just put a couple of these little tags at the base, just to give it a little bit more character. So that's the front, little collage there on the front, and then at the back there was this really nice page with this very romantic looking picture on, which is I thought quite nice, and I've just overstamped on it with one of the stamps that I've got. So right, let's have a look on the inside. So the first bit we've got is a collection of Da Vinci's works, and I've just put that on a piece of card, mount it on a piece of card so it becomes a journal card. And then here I've made a little tag, and I've utilised one of my stamps that I've got. Now I've got, if I'm honest, I don't know where they came from, what make they were or anything. But there was 3 in a set, and I've cut it down so we've got 1 single and 2 on the other ones. And I do use them quite a bit, but unfortunately I don't know the make of them. And then here I've gone and done a little signature, and again I've used one of the stamps, the same stamp there, to go on the envelope that I've made. Just a simple envelope, a page from the book, the Shakespeare book, and a couple of other bits and pieces on some coffee stained paper to make the little bundle, and that slots into there like so. And then on the next page I've gone and done one of my notebooks, and again I've just gone and made this little tag using the paper clip, just to sort of clip in. Now because I've made the notebook, what I did was I thought I'd link that in with the 2 little tags there, just to give it some cohesion, is it? Yeah, something like that. And again just made a small little collage utilising the paper from the book, some music score, some little photos, which I think possibly could be Tim Holtz, don't know, and then a little specimen card there and the number 6 on it. And it's just a little book with some odd papers in, just to make a little notebook. And then here's a little secret place there for you to keep some journaling cards or whatever's there. So that one plops into there like so. Ooh. There we go, and then that just clips into there like that to keep the book together. And then here we've got quite a simple double pocket there. Again I've utilised the stamp there, a little collage on the front, and then we've got a vintage styled library card that slots into there, a couple of tickets that slot into there, and just a little tag there that I'd made. Again, it was made for another journal but was left over, so I thought I'd utilise it to go into there, basically because those 2 colours matched. I quite like those 2 colours, so hence the reason that came about. And then on this one, so this is a smaller envelope now than the 6 or 7 by 5, and I've just gone and made a little place there for a journaling card. The papers again are from the Shakespeare book. This one's The Taming of the Shrew. Just a small little collage there and a picture of Shakespeare. A journaling card that I've just mounted onto there, and then that's just a crossword, an empty crossword puzzle, just to slot into there. Again, crosswords aren't really my thing. I'd rather the Sudoku. And then here I had another one of these. You might have seen it in my bee journal, and that just opens out like so to journal on. And then just a small little tag that slots into there like so, and another journaling card that I've just gone and mounted that slots into the back there for you to journal on. And then flipping that over, we've got on here another little area there for a journaling card to slide in, and then this image has been mounted on black card to go into there. And on this one, it's just slightly different. I've put a piece of black card, and I've just gone and glued along here, so it comes down there, down there, down there, and glue in the centre. So I've got an area there that I can just slide in those little tags. So I've got two little tags that slide in the corner, and then just a little collage there. And then to add to those, I've just made a small envelope, one of the money coin envelopes, stamped on it, and put a tag inside. And if anyone wanted to know about the stamp for the skull, I believe it is one of Andy Stewart's. Is it Andy Stewart? I think it is. And then just a little tag there just to go with it, like so. And then we turn over, and we've got a small area there with a collage on, just to hold the card there with the pen nibs on, and then a bingo card and a couple of travel tickets just slots in there. And then this is where I've sewn the signature, and I've done it the other way around. So the centre would normally have the tags coming out, but this time I've gone and done it, just trying to find the centre. I've gone and done it the other way around, so the tags actually come through here, and they're part and parcel of the cover. And that's just made up of all sorts of different envelopes and cards and papers and the likes. And then on the back page, oh, excuse me, I've just gone and done one of my collections of papers, envelopes and bits and pieces for you to journal on. Tied them with some string and used one of the little tickets. And again, to keep everything together, I've just made one of these little tags with a paper clip that just slots into place there. And if I remember rightly, this image comes from LeBlanche, from one of her paper packs. And I'll just stick that into there like so. And that is the end of that journal. So do hope you enjoyed it. Hope you'll like some of the ideas that's in there. And thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe. I would love that. And if you enjoyed it, if you can hit the like button, that would be great. And thank you so much again. And don't forget to check me out on my Instagram and also my Etsy. On my Instagram, Crafted by Norma, I always put everything that I make or have made with other bits and pieces on, so you can see the other work that I do. I don't just do journals. And thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.